and this is Kshitij.
And I'm Tanya.
And she's driving the car today, she's busy. And in today's video, we'll be showing you the market in Surrey.
So we have come from Vancouver to Surrey. Sorry, the GPS is still on.
Yeah.
So we have come from Vancouver to Surrey to do Diwali shopping. As you guys know, Diwali is approaching.
On Saturday.
And we are a little late, but better late than sorry. So we are going to get something for our home, something to decorate, and some like diyas, lights. And here you get full jhadi as well. So
Yeah,
I'm excited.
crackers,
Finally, we'll burn a full jhadi in Canada, which I have never done.
Even
So-
I haven't ever done.
So
like
we'll be
that.
doing that. So we are going to some stores to check out what they have, and then we'll be showing you what the prices
What the
are.
prices are.
Because even we don't know what the prices are gonna be.
Because
so
we have never ever done this before.
never ever.
It's been so long, but we have never ever celebrated like
Because like we didn't have, I
Busy.
think, yeah, we were busy, and also at where we were living, we didn't have stores there where we
Yeah.
could actually go and buy things. But here on Diwali, already like people have decorated their homes with
already,
lights.
yeah. And they were burning crackers as well. Like
Yeah,
they
so
were
here they celebrate Halloween, so they were burning crackers on that
like
day.
crazy, yeah.
So you can imagine what's gonna happen on Diwali day. So we are excited.
don't keep your hopes high. You never know because this
You
is
should be
Canada.
positive.
Let's see what happens.
You can see beauty salon as well.
Kiran's.
If you see, Indian people have ruled Surrey.
Let me.
And when you're traveling here, you don't feel like that you are not in India. It just feels like India. Even the traffic is like India. It's just that you're driving on the other side of the road. That's the only difference. Other than that, traffic is like that. You get tired while driving. And you see Indians walking, and you see Indian stores. So it's basically home away from home.
This is Surrey. As you guys can see, a lot of our people standing
Desi
here.
Munde.
Desi Munde and cleaning their cars. So yeah, and you can see an Uncle G as well here. Our fuel is super low, and as I showed you, our fuel is super low, and we have to gas up. And we thought that this is a gas station, but this was not a gas station. This was a car cleaning thing. What do you call it?
Car cleaning station.
Yeah. So that's.
So finally we have found a gas station. Kshitij has just gone inside because this gas station was different. You have to pay first before getting your gas. Since here is you have to fill up your fuel yourself, whereas in India you get that filled by someone.
And my luck is so bad that this pump was broken and I had to go and prepay inside.
Yeah.
So look at this. This is the Fruity Kana, and look at the Dhamaka sale here. Diwali Dhamaka sale. So we are going inside the store. It's called Fruity Kana. It's on Scott Road.
And
The big one.
There are many Fruticanas, but this is the biggest.
Yeah.
So we have come here.
And we are wearing masks, and we'll show you what's inside.
So here you have Diwali Dhamaka sale. Kshitij would be little bit, what do you say? What's the word? Intention. Because Dhamaka would not be a Dhamaka for us. He is little bit tense. But promise not to spend a lot. But it's Diwali,
Yeah,
so
man.
we can spend little bit.
She spends whenever she's out, she spends a lot. So let's go inside and check out what the Dhamaka sale here in Fruity Kana is all about. So Fruity Kana has set up a tent right outside their store, and there are a lot of utensils from tawa to plates. As you can see, cooking pots are there, and that too at a decent price. And we have all the coffee utensils as well, and then I can see a casserole there. And then if you buy in this Diwali season, you'll get another 10% off, so which is amazing, right? And if we move into the store, there are lots of diyas. That too, as you can see, 3 diyas for $1, which is equal to 75 rupees, which is not bad. And then look at the collection they have. Amazing, beautiful. They have full jadis as well. 10 pieces for $1.49, which is equal to 75 rupees. And this box right here has 50 pieces in it for $20, which is equal to 1000 rupees. Not bad again.
So this is the section. As you can see, we have diyas here. So we will be buying some diyas. Full jodi.
Yeah, there is some full jadi here.
Yeah. So we'll be getting these as well. One or two? One is fine.
One is fine.
Solution. Yeah, when we used to go for diya shopping, we used to just tell how many diyas we want and it would get all packed. Here you have to pick yourself. I have taken 20 diyas because it's 2020, so for
Oh,
that.
the logic is 2020. How much? What's the
Oh.
damage?
It's 5 diyas for $1, so just $4 and 20 diyas. So not
So that's not bad.
diya. You need this as well.
The cotton swab or something like that. What do you
Yeah.
call it?
So we'll take this. I've taken mustard oil, but let's take the smaller one because we don't need a big one. So this is fine, I guess. I have idols, but those are really small. So let's see if we get like a mandir because I really want a mandir. So we'll see if we find here. Other than if not, then we'll check some other.
Yeah.
So here you see there are like copper utensils. I think I've read somewhere if you drink water from copper, it's really good for your health. So I think we'll have to come back later to buy all these things. Right now the focus is on Diwali shopping.
So now shopping is done. It's almost done. We have the bag, but the only thing that was missing here was the lights, I guess, and decor. A little bit of decor, like the
And
glittery
mandir
one.
as well.
Mandir as well. Yeah. I don't know where will we find your mandir. It's been so long. She's been looking for it, but yeah, we'll find it. What we'll do is we'll go from here and we'll find the lights, right? And
But if I think we have lights at home, so I think we should go home and check first. And then
If we
if we
need
don't,
them.
then we can buy more lights.
yeah, and if you can see behind me, I don't know if it's visible or not. There is a Golgappa joint there behind me where a lot of girls are actually lined up from the bhaiya to get the Golgappa. So yeah, this is the Fruticana right in front of Desh Punjab Sweets and Restaurant. It's on Scott Road. So yeah, come here and enjoy, and we'll see you in another video. Where is Tanya? Yeah, we'll see you in another video. Happy
Happy
Diwali 2020. I know the world has suffered a lot, but again we will celebrate somehow.
We'll try our best to celebrate, and
Keep our hopes
again,
high.
social distancing, we'll keep that in mind. But Diwali is festival where you can celebrate yourself as well. Pray that this pandemic comes to an end soon. And yeah, wishing you a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.